Hey, I'm Chris, and thanks for joining me on my next update build video on the Aoshima URAS ER34. So on from the last video where it was a bit of a paint update, this one is more of a chassis and interior assembly update. On the bottom there, just very basic detailing, nothing much going on to be fair, in all honesty. And on the base there of the interior, I did the embossing powder for the carpet as such. And you probably noticed there was a few ridges, but you're not going to see it once all the seats and stuff, and you can't really tell. Now, as we see here, one thing I wanted to show you is under the wishbone parts of the suspension and stuff is the plain white bits of plastic. So them spacers, you put them in there just to help with the height of the final build. And then behind where that wheel, normally that wheel, the Aoshima hub sits into the disc hub, but this is again got a spacer just to space those wheels out, so it fits the body kit as such. It just gives it a bit of width, and it lowers the height. The interior, once it was all assembled, I was so happy. I mean, it's not 100%, don't get me wrong, but I absolutely love the way it's turned out. I didn't think it would turn out as good as what it did. I'm pleased it went well. The intercooler with the pipes, I've painted it just like I think it was X7 blue, and then for like the clips, I just got some Tamiya masking tape, used some Molotov chrome pen, and just cut thin strips out to act as like a clip. And then the wheels, as you see there, the wheels are just detailed up and whatnot. And then also, not forgetting the springs. Now these springs didn't actually come with this kit. There was left over from the top secret R34 kit. So I decided to paint them up and stick them underneath. You just about see them, but it's just the little bits of detail. And I was quite happy. I was quite happy with the way it looks. There it is the body. It's not actually fully assembled. Like the bumper just actually slots on along with the bonnet. The bonnet just sits on. But once the chassis and the interior was fully assembled, I just had to have a look at how that body looks up on the chassis. Ignore the fitment of the wheels as it stands, because there is you can slightly manoeuvre them and give them a little bit of a, you can adjust the angle as such. But other than that, from envisioning the blue body with the white wheels, the white interior, I'm just so pleased it's turned out as nice as it has. I didn't think I'd be able to pull it off. Again, I'm not saying it's amazing, it's 100%, but I'm happy how it's turned out for myself. Really happy. Now what I'm moving on to is my favourite part of any build process, is the polishing. And as you can see here, just looking at the clear coat and how it's dried, and you can see it's quite orange peely. This is just the clear lacquer I use. It goes down nicely, and it goes down alright. It just doesn't dry the greatest. It's good enough, just for sure, absolutely. But as you can see, like I said, the orange peel in it. So just have a good look around the body, and just as I say, just looking at the orange peel, just so you can get a comparison of how it looks now and how it looks afterwards. And this bit here, you can just see the shiny spots. Now I was going to do like a how-to polishing video with this build, but I just thought I'd rather do it on a build where it's a much darker colour. But there you see them spots have gone now. So now them spots have gone towards the bottom, not against the spoilers, I don't want to get too close to the edge, but now them spots have gone and it's just like a sanded haze. I know that surface is now flat enough just to go for a polish, whereas at the top there you can tell where I've not sanded it. Again, with this is the roof spoiler and the bonnet, and you can see it's just all like that sanded haze. I've tried to avoid swirling as much as possible. I might have done it by accident here or there, but I've tried to avoid it as much as I can. And then the bumper, there's front bits there where the fog lights I think go, and then on the sides I didn't go too crazy. I don't want to get too close to any main edges and get rid of any paint. I didn't want to burn through. But like I say, I have burnt through unfortunately in a few places. There's a bit of a white spot there. You can see just on that rear bumper on either side under the lights, just a little bit of white poking through, unfortunately. At the time, I was a little bit gutted when I noticed, but nothing to, you know, get upset about. I mean, it is what it is. You know, it's. I don't think I put enough clear down, unfortunately. I just caught the corner of that skirt there, but it's all polished up. And you know, I was really happy with the outcome. It's a beautiful colour, and it just looks absolutely stunning in the sun. And I think, you know, it's again, like anything, I don't think it's the best. I don't think it's 100%, but for me, I'm very happy with where it's at. To say it's done by hand, wet sanded with P2500, and then I applied 3 different polishes, 1 of each. I was, you know, really happy, absolutely, for sure. I probably could have done a few more applications of polish, but I think this was enough. But anyway, this is coming to the end of the video now, so thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you on the next one, and take care of yourselves. Cheers, bye.